Namaste, welcome to Yoga Darshanam. Today we are going to show you one of the beautiful yoga video on Vrikshasana, tree pose. If you are suffering from any concentration issues, if you are not able to concentrate on your work, or if you are not able to study properly because of concentration disorders, today we have some tricks. I am Santosh Kumar. Today with me, my student Kelly is there. We are going to show you these yoga tricks so that you can practice at your home. If you are a regular yoga practitioner, then you can practice this technique with your regular yoga practices. Come, let's get started. Stand in Tadasana position. Keep your heels together and keep your body weight on the center of the foot, palms by the sides, and pull your abdomen in. Stretch your arms downward in direction and look straight forward at eye level, and breathe a couple of times deeply and slowly here without any tension in the shoulder area, and try to be stable as possible. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Now from here we are going to practice Vrikshasana, that is the key asana for our concentration problems. From Tadasana, slowly hold your right ankle and lift your right foot. Hold your right ankle, fix your right foot. Make sure your toes downward in direction. This is step number 1. And make sure your left foot is stabilized. Now step number 2, inhale, lift your arm at shoulder level and turn your palm. Step number 3, inhale, continue and join your palm above the crown and look straight forward and press your palm properly, proper Namaskara Mudra. Complete 10 times deep breathing with complete attention, with complete concentration. Slow and steady breathing and maintain stability. Slow and steady breathing. Body weight must be on your center of the foot. Try to minimize wobbling. Continue to concentrate. After 10 times deep breathing, exhale. Step number 1, slowly drop your hands by the sides. Step number 2, turn your palm down. Continue to exhale. Step number 3, drop your leg down. Now switch to other side. Slowly lift your left leg up. Hold your left ankle. Fix your left foot to the right thigh. Make sure your left knee exactly on the side. Abdomen inside. Continue to concentrate. Now inhale, lift your hands by the sides and turn your palm. Continue to inhale. Namaskara Mudra above the crown. Join your palm properly. Press your palm gently. Don't arch your lower back. Keep your abdomen inside and maintain stability, keeping all the body weight on the center of the foot. Enjoy your breath with a deep inhalation and exhalation. Once you complete 10 times deep breathing, exhale, drop your hands by the sides. Turn your palm, continue to exhale, bring your hands down completely and drop your leg and come to Tadasana position. After technique 1, now we are moving to technique 2, that is doing same Vrikshasana or tree pose with closed eyes. This is really tricky, and this is the solution for your concentration problems. Remember, in case if you are not able to do this, if you are falling down frequently, then we have some solutions to do with the help of wall support that we are going to show you at the end of the video. Let's practice this second step.
Wait, right leg up?
Yeah, right leg up. Yeah, okay. So now we are trying to do second technique, doing entire Vrikshasana with the help of closed eyes. So from Tadasana position, slowly lift your right leg and hold your right ankle and fix your right foot to the left thigh and stabilize your foot. Concentrate internally, intensify your concentration. Now inhale, lift your hands by the side, turn your palm, continue to inhale, join your palm above the head. Namaskara Mudra. Complete 5 to 10 times deep breathing now here. It's really tricky and really challenging. Try to focus inside, control your thoughts, control your mind. You are completely conscious and aware now. Once you complete 5 to 10 times deep breathing, exhale, drop your hands by the sides, turn your palm and exhale down and drop your leg down. And do left leg in similar way. Inhale and exhale. Fix your left foot to the thigh, right thigh. Stabilize your right foot. And concentrate. Inhale, lift your arms by the sides. Turn your palm. Inhale, continue. Join your palm above the head. Press your palm properly. Abdomen slightly inside. Balance. Breathe 5 to 10 times deeply and slowly. One very important thing is, if you breathe 10 times right side, you should breathe 10 times left side. You should not vary, remember. So right and left should be even and equal with duration and with the number of breathing. To balance your right and left hemisphere of your brain, continue to inhale and exhale. Once you complete 5 to 10 times, exhale, drop hands by the sides. Turn your palm and continue to exhale and drop the leg down and return to the Tadasana position again. And separate your foot and just watch your breath couple of times deeply and slowly. Just feel it. The benefit of the tree pose and the quietness in the mind, freshness in the mind, and complete attention, capability to focus. Slow and steady breathing with complete observation. If you are not able to balance without any support, then initially you can try practicing this asana with the help of wall support. Slowly take wall support, keep your palm on the wall, one of the palm on the wall. Now slowly lift your leg up. So lift your right leg up and hold your right ankle and fix your right foot. And now slowly release your palm from the wall. Release your palm from the wall and try to balance. Keeping your abdomen inside. Make sure you are able to balance or not. So this tricks works very well. If you are near the wall, you will be very confident to balance. Now inhale, slowly lift your palm by the sides. Turn your palm, continue to inhale. And join your palm above the head. Keep abdomen inside. And take your palm little forward, and your wrist and your ankle must be in one line. Complete here 5 to 10 times breathing. Once you finish your breathing, 5 to 10 times. Exhale, drop your hands by the sides and turn your palm. Exhale, continue and drop the leg down. So similarly we do with another leg. Breathe deeply and slowly. Stabilize your body with complete internal concentration. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll come back with another video, another yoga video. We are working on several yoga videos on different concepts. Till then, keep enjoying this video and practice at your home. धन्यवाद.